Hello and welcome to this course on version control using Git. I'm Adam Townsend, one of your tutors for this course. Now, what is Git and what is version control? Why should you be using it? In order to answer that, let me ask you, how many times has this happened to you?
You're writing a document and you save it. Maybe you write some more. Once again, you save. But that evening you have a brilliant idea. You open up your laptop, type in your genius, and save. Well, early next morning, you wake up in a sweat. What were you thinking? You have to get rid of the rubbish you wrote last night. But what exactly did you write? Was it that first paragraph, the end to the second paragraph? This is where version control comes in, because a version control system starts with a base version of your file and then keeps track of the changes you make. You can get to any version of your document by playing back the changes. In this way, multiple people can make changes. And as long as these changes don't conflict with each other, these changes can be merged. A version control system creates a permanent record of all changes to your document. Each change is called a commit, and you decide when that happens, and the system stores who made the change and when, along with a brief description of the change. This record is called a repository or repo, and repositories can be synchronized across computers and therefore across users. This is normally done by putting a copy of the repository online in a central hub and making sure everyone synchronizes their repository with the remote online version. Now, this could be you on another computer or someone you're working with. GitHub is one of the most popular online hosting services for repositories, but there are others like Bitbucket and GitLab. If you don't want to synchronize between computers, you don't need to use an online host. Git, it's just Git, will run on your computer and you can use the full functionality that a version control system brings without going anywhere near the internet. And it's free. This is how we're going to start, by running Git on our own computers as local version control systems. Collaboration will come later. So what do we need to get started? Well, Git can be run from the command line, but we're going to use the desktop application provided by GitHub. It's called GitHub Desktop. The link to download this is below the video.
So once you've downloaded the GitHub desktop client, you're ready to go. So once more, why are we using Git? Well, firstly, version control acts as an unlimited undo. And secondly, because it allows multiple people to work on a project at the same time. And Git is the most popular software for version control. Want to get started? All right, let's go.